Welcome to World's Best Place. My name is Pietro Catalano. I'm the chef of CAAA here in the beautiful town of Lucerne in Switzerland. And today I show you the Swiss pike fish becomes Mexican. So I show you a sauce, a special sauce, a jalapeno sauce which we make. Then we have some vegetable from the market with the pike fish from Switzerland. And yes, let's go to the kitchen. I show you everything. So we have some ingredients. I show you what we did. It's like we take jalapeno like 450 grams. What we did, we cut it in half. We take the seeds out because it's quite spicy, and then we cut it thin till it's nice like that. Then we put it here in a pan. Everything here inside. And then important is we cover with water. Feel nice, everything is covered. And then we cook it like full power. And we salt the water. And you can really like over salt, like it's tasting like a sea water, because the jalapeno, while it's cooking, it's absorbing all the salt then. And we wait now 8 minutes, approx 8-9 minutes, till the water almost is completely done. And then we put it in the Thermomix, we blend everything, and I show you here how we do it. The sauce, we have oil, some grape seed oil, it's 15 cl. Then we have hazelnut oil, it's 8 cl, and then we have some sugar dissolved in water. It's around 8 cl, and then we have some lemon juice, 6 cl. And then what we do, it's like we place these 3 ingredients in the Thermomix with the jalapeno, and we blend it super fast. And then in the end we put some lemon juice, which I'll show you later. And important there, it's we place, it's still hot, we place it now then after in a bucket with some ice, that we cool down fast the sauce, but I'll show you later then on. Meanwhile, we can prepare the white pike fish, which we already have nice slice on. What we do, we just need 3 square pike fish. Wow. Use it, these 3. And when we have the sauce ready, we will cook then the pike fish together. Oh. So as you can see now, it's jalapeno. The water is almost gone. What we do, we take the hot jalapeno, we go straight to the Thermomix, just put it here inside everything. Even if it's a little bit of water inside, it's not a problem. Et voila. And then we mix it with hazelnut oil. Just put it in. We have some oil with the grape seed. Then some water, sugar. We close everything. And then we blend it high speed. Very important, high speed. So we blend it now almost like 40 seconds here. What we do now, we strain it to a sieve. This. Put it already on ice water. Then we take the lemon juice, very important. Just put it here inside, so it keeps the color nicely. Then we whisk it nice. It's becoming smooth, nice. When it's cooling down, the sauce is going to be thicker. Looks already very nice. Important that with the sauce will cool down immediately. But we want to keep the color. We're just checking here. Very silky, as you can see. It's a little bit warm. Nice acidity. You feel spiciness, but not too hot. That's great. So we cooled them in the ice bucket just down, and we continue with the fish, with the vegetable. We have here some market vegetable, which we going every Saturday and Tuesday on the Lucerne market. So we pick just the seasonal nice vegetable. We already blanched in the water, and now we take a pan with a little of butter here inside. We melt the butter. Season it a bit. Yeah, we start with aubergine, and we start with the corn. Just gentle. We just want to glaze them nice and shiny before we plate. We don't want that the butter is burning, just gently move the pan always. Looks nice, shiny. Then we place it in a sheet. So drop everything. We'll keep this one. And then now we make the same with the fish. Some butter. We heat the butter quite hot, and then we place the fish inside. season it. A little bit of white pepper. Almost like brown butter. Then we keep it on a hot place, just like that. And then in like 2 minutes we turn around, and then it's cooking very gently and soft. And meanwhile we can plate the plate. Plating now on a nice white plate. The sauce is still cooling down. So what we present on this dish is like the market, the beautiful market of Lucerne. So we go very seasoned all the time in our kitchen. We look what we find on the market, and then we pair it with the pike fish. Now you can see it's like super gentle, nice, cooked. Just between the vegetable. Now it's going to color. We have some lemon cucumber, also from the market. Let's place it here. We have some pickled onion, red onion from south of Italy. It's like cipolla di Tropea, which our family coming from. Then we have some pickled mushroom. Place here. Some flour. Then we put some caviar or Pietra caviar on top, on the pike fish, which we have put here. It's coming the jalapeno, the sauce. A bit out. Yeah, now you can see how it's super silky and smooth. which we just play in the middle. Just like that. So it's like the Swiss pike fish becomes Mexican, we call it. And yes, I hope you enjoy and see you soon here in 07.